And suddenly I have a very soft light. There's also a pro version of it.
Hi, I'm Georg.
And I'm Nikolai.
Wouldn't you like to be in a great and professional lighting situation when you have an online conference?
We present you 7 life hacks how to create a very nice light situation in front of your webcam.
Hey Nikolai, I'm in my home office, but with this light in the back, I don't really like it. Do you have some tips for me?
We can take away the light from the background. And now it's much more easy for the webcam to adjust the light on your face. Now we've turned around Georg's desk and he's now looking out of the window. Now the light comes through the window, is very soft and diffuse and goes directly onto your face. Next I show you how you can have a very nice light in your face with your regular desk position.
Okay.
If I come close enough and you move a little bit towards the webcam, you see? Then it works. What's the disadvantage?
But I would have to hold it all the time.
Or I have to, and I don't have time for that.
Nikolai. Yeah, I've tried that. Honestly, I can do that only for 5 minutes because it's blinding me so much.
And suddenly I have a very soft light. There's also a pro version of it. It's called frost foil or diffuser foil. And also here helpful, the clothespin. And the result again, soft light. Georg, have a look. This is a construction beam from a DIY store. Caution, it's very bright. Don't look into it. You should use it only indirectly. Direct the beam onto the wall, and from the wall, light is illuminating your face, and it's also indirectly and very soft. And what should we add again? Sandwich paper. But be careful, only use sandwich paper with cold LED lights.
Oh yeah.
Next, LED video lights. They're adjustable in intensity and in color. They're around $100–150. You can clip the sandwich paper onto the gates. If I position now this light behind the camera and slightly above your head, it gives a very nice and soft light and you look perfect in your web conference. That is almost professional equipment.
Now I'm great equipped for my next video conference. Thank you very much, Nikolai.
You're welcome.
Gerne.